morning. It's Wednesday, October the 21st. And we're here for another What's New Wednesday video. As usual, we have more new materials this week to share. New materials this week include Take Me Apart, the debut novel of Sara Sligar. It centers around ex-journalist Kate, who has been hired to create an archive of a deceased person's mother's life's work in photography. As Kate pieces the story together, she begins to see a vivid picture of shocking details about the deceased artist's life and her mysterious death. Robert Galbraith brings us Troubled Blood, the latest in the Cormoran Strike series. Private Detective Strike is visiting family in Cornwall when he is convinced to take up a 40-year-old cold case. Featuring lying witnesses, serial killings, and tarot cards, this looks to be a complicated case. Talking Appalachian, a non-fiction title. It's a textbook-style presentation from various professors in the Kentucky University system. It dives into the history of Appalachian region, often shown with a negative stereotype, and instead gives context to the pronunciation, words, and phrases unique to the area in an effort to give greater understanding to a local community. And last we have The Trip to Greece. Rob Brydon and Steve Coogan again play themselves, caricatures of themselves anyway, traveling from Troy to Ithaca following the footsteps of Odysseus. In this comedy that takes place mostly around conversations and while eating. As always, you can find these new materials and more at our library or on our online catalog. You can come by the library to see these items in person, or you can call to make an appointment for curbside pickup. Our current open hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, plus 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Curbside pickup is available on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. We are continuing to hand out activity kits each week for preschoolers and monthly for elementary students, preteens, and teens. Our next monthly elementary and teen kits will go out the first full week of November. If you haven't already registered, make sure you sign up in advance to receive a kit. The deadline to sign up and receive kits for older children is next Friday, October 30th. You can sign up at the link in the video description. Preschoolers can receive a new craft kit every week this fall, and you can register for those kits at the same link. We also have a special Dia de los Muertos kit for middle school and high schoolers that we'll be passing out next week at our Harbor Memorial branch. These kits will be available on a first-come, first-served basis, so make sure you stop by to see us next week if you want to receive one of these special kits. That's all we have for this week's update. Thanks for watching and have a great week.